So this is actually perfect timing because whenever I get asked for a hair routine, like how I do my hair, I never, like, I thought I don't really do anything to it, but you know, maybe there is a method to whatever I do. I'm gonna show you guys what I do with my hair, and I guess how I style it, my routine, my wash process. This is crazy. I'm a 4C girly. I was gonna say this is my first video I've done about my hair, but no, I did a hair video a while ago, actually, a little bit ago. And this is perfect timing because I just bought a lot of stuff for hair care, actually. Not hair care. I bought a lot of tools, though, pertaining to my hair. Like, I bought this comb set. I've never really had a comb set for my hair. I always just took whatever was in my mom's, you know, what was in our bathroom. I'm a big girl and I have my own set. So I'm using a wide tooth comb. I'm hosting an event tonight, fancy event. I'm the MC. So I'm excited. So yeah, I need to look good. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So yeah, my hair was in a wig, so therefore it was in cornrows. I just took it out of the cornrows. So this is what it looks like out of the cornrows, and now I'm combing it out before I wash it. So let's do that. So as I've learned from the hair care girlies, you have to comb from the bottom to the top, else it'll break your hair. So I always comb from the bottom to the top, and you use a wide tooth comb. So combing from bottom to top to detangle it. Probably gonna lose a lot of hair because I always do. Ow! Ooh! Oh! So I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time I've actually really thoroughly brushed or combed out my hair. Normally, this is gonna be so bad. This is why when you guys ask me for like hair tips or something, I feel unqualified to give you because I don't really treat my hair that well. Can you believe? Yeah, this is the first time I've ever thoroughly combed my hair. Like whenever I take it out of braids and stuff like that, I just and then wash it. Or sometimes I wouldn't even brush it when it's out of braids. I'll just wash it right away because like I can't be bothered to comb through. I don't know, for some reason the like aspect or the thought of combing through my hair was very, it seemed too big for me. But I'm growing. So yeah, my method is like I'll grab my method. My method for today, because this is the first time I've actually ever done this, is grab like a little section at the end, comb it through, comb it like, you know, if I started here, I'll start here until like it can comb through without any knots, and then I'll move up and then do the same till it's like it becomes easy. Like if I'm combing and there's a bit of resistance, I know that there's knots, so I gotta keep going. Once it becomes like easy, then I know like, okay, I'm done. I gotta go on to grab a larger portion. So okay, yeah, this is getting a bit easier, so I'm gonna go here and just keep inching my way towards the roots. See? Ow!
And these shoes are against me. This is what, thrifted?
I'm done combing through my hair. This is how much hair I lost. Took literally 30 minutes and was so painful and reminded me why I don't comb through my hair. But I should. Although it takes a long time, it is beneficial, you know? Now I'm about to wash it. I need it to be ready by 5. It's 4:56 and I still need to do my makeup and, you know, yeah, just these two things. Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo, Miracle Moist conditioner. I don't section it to wash it because maybe I should, because I'm sure like that's what gets the shampoo and like conditioner everywhere. I just don't have time. I'm running late. So yeah, this is what I use, and I can't bring you guys in the bathroom with me because my camera will break, and there's nowhere in my bathroom to like place. Actually, maybe there is. We'll see. I'll try for you guys.
don't mind every other time that I close my eyes, you're there.
Okay, oop, I towel dry my hair. I don't do too much. Honestly, I don't. I just like let it air dry, but I kind of just like let it go. And then I'm gonna put on clothes and show you how I like style it. Okay, so here's what I do after I come out of the shower. My hair falls in the front. I don't know how it does, but it just does. So I just pull it so it kind of looks like bangs. And then I pull out the sides. Just like stretch it and stuff like that. And I lose a lot of hair in the process of doing that. And I didn't rinse all the conditioner out because I kind of want to use it as a leave-in conditioner. So you see a lot of the conditioner remnants. But I want it there, and then it'll dry and hopefully seal the curls. So right now it looks a little bit wonky. It doesn't look exactly how I want it to, but that's okay because it's gonna like dry up anyway. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then fix it after.
Made like 20, but they're super strict with guest names. They only allow me 3.
So it's all about picking it out.
It's all about what?
Hair routine video. So you guys wanted to see how I get my fro. This is it. It has been plugged out a bit. This is Isosa. She looks beautiful. She's hosting with me. I do not have my outfit yet.
It's coming soon. In the name of Jesus.
Hi, man. It's 7:07, and we're supposed to start the event at 7:15. Gosh, be with me. But yeah, we need to pray.